Welcome to DIY Economics. At Suburban DIY, we believe you take control of your financial future by rolling up your sleeves, bypassing the middlemen, and building the systems yourself. We are facing an AI depreciation storm, a period where the massive capital spent on AI infrastructure meets the harsh reality of returns. Wall Street rarely provides a warning before the damage reaches your portfolio, even as the system starts cracking at the foundation. Market drawdowns follow a sequential unwinding called the Contagion stack. It is a predictable progression where weakness at the base layer travels up the value chain as financial reality catches up with expectations. Open your preferred finance app. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a custom 4-tier early warning dashboard to map how this risk travels and protect your portfolio before panic sets in. Step 1. Create a new watchlist folder in your app and title it Tier 1 Infrastructure. Populate this folder with the companies closest to real capital expenditure decisions at major power providers, liquid cooling hardware manufacturers, and data center developers. Look for news of delayed infrastructure orders and flattened capacity expansion timelines. These Tier 1 signals represent the earliest warning signs, often appearing months before a formal earnings miss. Create a second folder directly beneath the first. Title it Tier 2 Semiconductors, and add the major AI hardware makers, GPU designers, and chip foundries. These companies are currently priced for rapid, uninterrupted growth. This makes them highly sensitive to valuation compression, where the market lowers the price it is willing to pay for every dollar of profit. A slowdown in Tier 1 infrastructure orders causes Wall Street to immediately reset its forward demand expectations for Tier 2. Because markets price the future, these valuation multiples can drop sharply, while current revenues remain stable. Tracking Tier 1 orders and Tier 2 valuations gives the DIY investor a significant lead time, capturing the market's reaction to shifting expectations long before the financial results are verified. Step 3. Create a third folder titled Tier 3 Broad ETFs and add the major tech-heavy index funds. This tier tracks passive amplification. This is the mechanism that turns an isolated semiconductor sell-off into a broader market drawdown. Modern index funds are heavily concentrated in AI chips. When the semiconductor node begins falling, it triggers mechanical, indiscriminate selling across the entire fund to maintain balance. High concentration means weakness starting in chips will eventually pull down shares of entirely unrelated companies. Finally, build your last folder, Tier 4 Hyperscalers. Add the massive tech giants who fund the actual AI build-out. These companies often lag the rest of the market. Their massive balance sheets and diverse revenue streams and create a temporary perception of immunity to the pressures hitting the lower tiers. Watch for a specific shift in corporate language within this tier. Look for executives moving away from accelerating investment toward optimizing spend or prioritizing costs. Because the hyperscalers fund the entire ecosystem, their eventual repricing marks the final stage of the stack. When the leaders fall, the rest of the market follows. Check this completed 4-tier dashboard weekly as part of your routine financial maintenance. Avoid waiting for Tier 4 to show visible weakness before taking protective action. The stack structure can be deceptive. Apparent strength at the top often hides a foundation weakening at the bottom. Use the breakdown of Tiers 1 and 2 as your execution trigger to immediately reduce risk, reallocate capital, or hedge positions. This systematic approach helps you avoid a false sense of security, allowing you to map risk transmission before it impacts your personal wealth. By building this watch list, you have created a functional map of how risk moves from physical infrastructure to the broader market. You are no longer guessing or waiting for financial news commentators to explain a crash after the damage is already done. Success in investing comes from recognizing exactly where you are within a structured sequence of events. Save money, build skills, take ownership of your financial growth. Subscribe to Suburban DIY and keep building a life you own, one smart decision at a time.